there, aspiring writers. Welcome back to My Captain, where we are on an adventure to unravel the world of content writing careers. With over 7+ years of experience in content writing and working for brands like Colorbar, Josh Talks, UN Women, Oxfam, I, Captain Bhavna, will be your guide during this adventure. In the last video, we understood some basics about the world of content writing. If you haven't seen it yet, then go check it out here. And as I promised, in this episode, we are going to understand what are the different types of content writing careers, the job roles, freelance opportunities, salaries, and income that you can make. So let's dive in and find out what kind of writer you are. I have listed down 7 types of content writers I have come across in my career span. We'll start off with the first one, the creative storyteller. If you are someone who can captivate the audience by your storytelling skills, then you are a creative storyteller. Be it song lyrics, short stories, video scripts, screenplays, podcast scripts, as a creative content writer, you can earn somewhere around 4 lakhs per annum on an average. Now, the second one, that is the informative explorer. If you love to go in depths of knowledge, to get the right information, to bring well-researched articles and guides, then you are someone who will fall in this category. There are various job roles that an informative explorer can look forward to. You can become a blog writer, a journalist, a researcher, and so many more. You will mainly be responsible for writing news articles, blog posts, research papers, and press releases. And in terms of salary, you can easily earn an average salary of 3 lakhs per annum or get freelance projects that can help you make 1 lakh per month. Now, coming to the third category, that is the copywriting wizard. Well, do you think your words can easily convince people? If yes, then you are the copywriting wizard that can write compelling copy, conquering hearts and minds of people, that drives action and converts. You may have seen ads like these that make you take certain action. Well, this is the work of a copywriter. Not only ads, but copywriters are also required to write for website text, sales collaterals, product descriptions, and infographics. A great copywriter can easily earn more than 10 lakhs per annum. You can also get good earnings in the range of 20,000 to 30,000 per project on a freelance basis. Now, moving to the fourth category, that is the social media maverick. Do you also eat, sleep, breathe trends and talk in memes? Then there is a high chance that you are a social media maverick. You are the one who can command the digital world with engaging and shareable content on social media platforms. Do you think you can create posts like these? If yes, then social media writing is your game. You can work for brands or create your own page to showcase your skill. And as far as earnings are considered, you can easily make up to 4 lakhs per annum here. And if you have a good following of your own, you can collaborate with brands and earn up to 20 to 25 lakhs per annum. Now, the fifth category, the SEO navigator. We all know Google is our best friend when it comes to getting answers for any and everything, right? Let's search how much can you earn as an SEO content writer. And you will see that the highest salary that you can expect as an SEO writing expert is around 6 lakhs per annum. But this particular blog itself is also written by the SEO navigator. Keywords, key phrases, and SEO tools are your best friends here. Now moving to our sixth category, that is the technical crusaders. If simplifying complex concepts and technical jargons is your game, then congratulations, you are the perfect fit for a technical crusader. Be it product guides, instruction manuals, how-to guides, FAQs, UX messaging, you know how to do it all. On an average, you can make up to 5.5 lakhs per annum, and with freelance, you can make up to 15 lakhs per annum. And lastly, coming to our seventh category, it's called the one who must not be named. In schools and colleges, did you also write assignments and projects on others' behalf and secretly enjoyed even doing so? Then you can think of a career as a ghostwriter. Ghostwriters carry along with them a mixed bag of skills. Brands hire them to manage marketing communication, build ebooks, write white papers, thought leadership articles, and much more. Their work is not credited to them, but they earn really well. On an average, they earn about 10 lakh per annum, and mostly through freelance opportunities. So, that was all about the content writing careers that you can look forward to. But these are just the tip of the iceberg. As you continue to explore and grow in your writing career, you can find your niche and become the content superhero you want to be. But if you have already figured out your writing style, tell us which one are you? You can let me know in the comment section below. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to My Captain's channel and check out the next episode.